How to use Collaborate on Instagram post. So go ahead and open your Instagram application. Then you just want to create a new post normally. To do that, go tap the plus icon on the bottom part of your screen. Add the media that you want to post. It could be an image, a video, or whatever you like. When you get to the posting stage, add in the caption and the other details. Then tap on Tag People. Go to Invite Collaborator and in here, type in the username of the user that you want to invite to collaborate with. When you're done, go ahead and share the post. The users you've invited will get notified on the collaboration invite. For the post to be on their page as well, all they need to do is tap on the notification, then hit review on the post. Lastly, on the pop-up, all they need to do is accept the invitation. So that is how to use Collaborate on Instagram post. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.